Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma if you're new, and we are still at Disney World. Today's our last full day and we are going to Animal Kingdom this morning, and then we're going to spend the rest of the day at Epcot doing all things flower and garden. I got my flower, my butterfly on, and I'm excited to have a really fun day. Yesterday was really long and really tiring, but today should be just as fun and probably just as tiring. So stick around and let's see what we get up to.
And another female on top of the hill here too, but they do prefer to walk or run along the bottom of the river. Keep an eye out for any other gliding objects down. African painted dogs hanging out in the shade there by the tree line. And I run around a bit. See there, black, brown, and white splotches. The sable antelope is the official emblem here on the savannah. They're going to dip their trunks into the water. The baby flamingo will hatch gray. It's going to take. And looks like we found the source of the traffic jam straight out here. That's much closer to the room. We're going to try to sneak on by here.
Yeah,
Extra sleep or rest between 16 and 20 hours of energy for that nightly hunt of theirs out in the wild.
We made it to Animal Kingdom and we just did the safari and we saw lots of animals. We saw tons of rhinos. They were very active and having lots of fun running around and wallowing in the mud pit. And there was also the lion was like making noise, so that was cool. And my earring just fell out. Oh no, hold on. Okay, found the earring.
Crisis
crisis averted, back on track. But we saw the lions, and the lions were, the male lion was making a lot of noise, which was cool. Anything else? No giraffes, which was sad.
Lots of wildebeests.
Yes, lots of wildebeests.
Which are cool. You don't always see those.
Yes. But now we're headed to Satuli Canteen for breakfast, and I'm excited because there's a coffee flight that I want to try. So I will show you guys that when that happens. Okay, I'm gonna try the flight. So I think the first one is the matcha one.
Yeah.
Very green. But they both have, or the two specialty flavor ones both have the ube on it. Or not. Yeah, ube, right? The blue, is the blue also ube? Or no?
I thought just the purple.
Just the
inside
purple?
Was the ube. I'm not sure. The blue is just sort of might just be colored whipped cream.
Ooh, that's good. The matcha one's really good.
Yeah. Good.
It almost tastes like chocolatey. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to also try the ube one now. It's purple. What do you think of matcha?
Yeah, it does have a little bit of a chocolatey taste, but then there's like
Oh, the
yeah,
ube
I'm glad-
one's
I'm
really
glad I got
good.
the ube one.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a different taste, like on the back end.
Yeah,
of
it's
the
really
matcha.
good.
No, but
Oh, the
yeah,
matcha
like
one.
the matcha, you get like chocolate flavor first,
Yeah.
and then there's some, and you must like pick up the matcha at the end.
Okay, and then the last one is just cold brew. So it's good though. It's good cold brew. It'll hit the spot for this morning. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy these coffees and breakfast now. We are leaving Animal Kingdom. Saw lots of animals, had a good morning, got a lot done. But now we're headed to Epcot for the rest of the day and hopefully gonna get some lunch soon and just have lots of fun and see all the flower and garden things. Pin unboxing time. I still need 1, 2, 3. I still need 3 of them, so I can't even finish the set with just one box. So let's see. Hopefully
you get at least one of the 3.
at least one, yeah. Okay, there we go. First bag. I just threw it. Oh no. It's one I already have.
Dalmatian.
Dalmatian. Okay, trader. Please be one I don't have. Please be one I don't have. I think I have this one. I can't get it out.
Oh yeah.
That's disappointing.
Well,
Well, there's a whole bunch of people out there, so hopefully I can trade with them. All right, we've been doing lots of rides. We had lunch, which was tasty, avoided some rain, but now we're headed to Guardians. And what song do you think we're gonna get? That's why I pulled out the camera. We gotta make our song prediction.
my favorite is September. I hope we get that.
I like, I think it's Iran is the song, but like the way the guitar part that it starts with is, I like that one. But what are the other options? It's like Conga.
Conga is one, yeah.
What else? I forget them all.
Yeah.
I mean,
What, about 7 of them?
yeah, September's a good one. So I'm going to go for September too. That's what I'm hoping for. I don't know which way we go. Maybe we go this way. Anyway, we'll check back in afterwards and tell you guys what song we got. So wish us luck.
People of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? Day drinker. What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot-tarians.
So we made it off of Guardians. Well, we got no songs. No songs at all.
We were wrong. There were no songs.
There was no music to be had. We got evac'd off of it. And we didn't even really make it that far. It was just like the lift.
First lift hill.
Yeah, the first lift hill. So that's a new experience, and hopefully it'll come back up so we can ride it later. But now we're off to go get us a drink to, you know, recover from that situation. We got some drinks. I got the violet lemonade. It's very good. What did you get?
I got the blueberry ginger
Smash.
smash. Yeah.
Good?
Yes, it's very sweet.
Very good drinks for a hot day. in the same row as before, so fingers crossed nothing happens. I'm still hoping for Iran. I'm still hoping for September.
Yeah.
Okay, we will see. We did it! We made
We
it off!
succeeded.
We didn't get stuck. We got Everybody Wants to Rule the World. I don't, is that what it's called? Is that
Yeah,
the full name? Okay.
it is.
Yeah, but it was fun.
Very good song for
Yes,
it.
it was very good. And it felt like a celebration, which was playing at the end because we got to actually ride the ride. So now we have an hour to finish getting all the things that we want from the festival booths and getting a margarita and doing all that. So we're going to do that now. Last festival treat, the Tengulu from China. It's Dad's helping me with the lighting. There we go.
Don't drop it.
It's sugar-coated strawberries and grapes. The sugar sticks to your teeth. But it's good. It's like a syrupy strawberry. I want to try the grape. Do you hear the crunch? It's so crunchy.
Sounds crunchy.
It's really good though. I mean,
Do you
it's
need
not
a fork?
anything fancy. Maybe.
Okay.
It's good. And then I also got a margarita, which is always good too. But I'm gonna enjoy this.
This is with the amigos, no matter where he goes, the 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together.
The hot and the cold are both so intense.
We made it back to the resort, got our desserts. I got a cupcake, Dad got a brownie. We had a very fun evening. We rode the 3 caballeros and we also ended the night with Frozen and still got to see a little bit of the fireworks. But it was very fun, very long day. My feet are tired, my voice is gone. It's been a very long 2 days, but lots of fun. So, gonna sign off here. It's been a great day.